Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Vintage style farmhouse home decor combines the rustic warmth of farmhouse design with the nostalgic charm of vintage aesthetics. This style is all about creating a cozy, lived-in atmosphere using aged finishes, repurposed materials, and charming antiques. Here are some 10 tips to elevate your vintage style farmhouse home decor, focusing on styling, balance, sourcing, or ambience. Use surface architectural elements. Incorporate items like old windows, hang on a wall, or blend as decor. Chippy shutters as wall art or headboard accents. Barn doors on cracks or as decorative pieces. This adds depth and story to the space. Add time-worn accessories. Use vintage mantle clocks, iron stone pictures, weathered books, or old photo frames. Try to find items with visible wear or patina. They tell a story and instantly give warmth. Layer with functional textiles. Drape grain shell or digging straight fabrics over chairs or as table turners. Use lace doilies, crochet cross, or vintage coils as soft touches in unexpected places, like over open shelvings or layered under decor. Create ambient farmhouse lighting. Use table lamps with burlap or linen shades, vintage style oil lamps, or messenger pendant lights. Avoid overly modern or chrome finishes. Look for rubbed bronze, antique brush, or distressed white pictures. Celebrate nature indoors. Use galvanized buckets, wooden crates, or animal pictures as planters. Decorate with dried flowers like lavender or eucalyptus, cotton stems, or antique seed packets in frames. Keep it clean, not cluttered. Farmhouse vintage style isn't about stuffing rooms, it's about curated charm. Rotate decor seasonally and quarterly to keep spaces feeling fresh but grounded. Distress and DIY with purpose. Try chalk paint and wax as furniture pieces. Create your own vintage sign from pallet wood and stencils. Restore an old trunk or buffet instead of buying new. Custom DIY adds show to the home. Showcase collections in unique ways. Create small vignettes or wall displays using vintage kitchen tools, ironstone pictures, old books or postcards, messengers or milk bottles. Use open shelving, old wooden ladders, or Kobe cabinets to display grouped items. This brings both organization and beauty. Highlight raw and rustic textures. Common rough-hewn wood furniture. Rusted iron accents like hooks and brackets. Open elements. Rattan, jute, sagebrush. Let the natural imperfections in materials shine. Scratches, nicks, and grain marks are part of the aesthetic. Dress up the dining table vintage style. Use lace or homespun table runners. Add mismatched chairs or transferable plates for a whimsical garden look. Incorporate candlesticks, amber glassware, or vintage salt and pepper shakers for finishing touches. Use wallpaper strategically. Choose vintage floral, toil, gingham, and faded botanical brands. Accent small spaces like the back of built-in shelves, corner rooms, entry nooks. Peel anti-stick options make this easy and removable. Reupholster with vintage flair. Give old furniture new life by covering it in ticking strip fabrics, burlap, floral gents. Even simple slip covers in natural hues help tie modern pieces into your vintage theme. Use everyday items as decor. Hang cast iron pans, rolling pins, or headboards in the kitchen. Stick vintage suitcases as end tables. Use old baskets as storage on shelves or walls. Add farm-inspired touches, roosters, cows, or sheep-themed art, textiles, or signs give a charming nod to real farm life. Chickenware front cabinets or photo frames add authentic rustic texture. Think cozy entryways. Add a vintage bench, coat hooks, or a small console with a wicker basket. Use chalkboards, framed keys, or old mail slots for a functional yet homey feel. Style the bedroom like a cottage retreat. Add a canopy over the bed using light curtains or muslin fabric. Use a worn trunk or vintage suitcase stayed at the foot of the bed. Mix textures, linen, crochet, velvet, pillows, and faded quilts. Embrace seasonal vintage farmhouse decor. Spring, cotton stems, pastel dishes, animal watering cans. Summer, baby crates, gingham linens, vintage fans. Incorporate handmade and heirloom pieces, display or use hand-stitched quilts, embroidered linens or napkins, crocheted trolleys from family or vintage markets. These small pieces add deep character and personal history. Use antique mirrors to reflect light and style. Go for own frames, distressed wood, etched wood, or chipped white. Try hanging multiple small vintage mirrors for a charming gallery wall. a weathered-aged appearance. Repurpose shutter panels as wall art, photo holders, or headboards. Use peg rails and wall hooks creatively. Install a shaker-style peg rail to hang baskets, straw hats, linen aprons, vintage tools. It's functional and decorative, especially in entryways, kitchens, or bathrooms. Use industrial farmhouse touches for contrast. Blend in small industrial elements like oil baskets, locker bins, factory lights. These add contrast and authenticity without overwhelming the softer vintage side. Make time feel slower with vintage clocks. Add wall clocks or mantle clocks with Roman numerals on wood or brass. Even non-looking clocks look charming and symbolic in vintage decor. Use animal wear everywhere. Use old animal balls, pitchers, or tubs as planters for towel storage as fruit bowls or centerpieces. White animal with a chipped rim or colored edges is especially classic. Bring the garden indoors. Grow herbs in repurposed containers like mason jars, tin cans with vintage labels, old teapots, or wooden boxes. It's functional and enhances the natural, down-to-earth vibe. Make the imperfect feel intentional. Let a chair have cracked paint or use a slightly fraying curtain. Imperfections in vintage farmhouse decor aren't flaws, they are features. The beauty is about charm, ease, and comfort, not polish or perfection. Don't aim for a perfectly matched set. Mismatched chairs around a farmhouse table feel more authentic and cozy.